I am student number 24587, and I'm going to be doing a neutralization reaction. I have used um, Handy Andy as my base, and I've used vinegar as my acid. So please be careful when using vinegar, because it can burn people with sensitive skin. I've used gloves because of said reason. My skin is somewhat sensitive to vinegar. So I've used turmeric and put it on paper. So I've taken turmeric, put it in water, and then stir it up, and then put water through it, and then let it dry. And then I got my litmus paper. So everything that we're gonna be using here, you can find at home. So you don't necessarily have to go buy these things. So come closer some. So this part here, which is darker, that part is not has not been put onto the vinegar. This part, which is lighter, is what happens when vinegar and when the litmus paper reacts with vinegar. And here's some. So this part is what I acted it alone with my base, which is my handy Andy. So it will turn such a color when when it reacts with when my litmus paper reacts with my base. It will turn a brown color, or brown reddish color, as so. So to begin the experiment, we're gonna take um, my ammonia, and there's already a bit of vinegar on here, but to ensure that it's enough, I'll just add a little more.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna begin the experiment. So I'm gonna first there's already vinegar in here, so I'm gonna pour in my base. So now I'm gonna shake it up a little bit, stir it up, so the reaction takes place. Um, you may not be okay. Look over here. So this is the reaction taking place. It's not just white foam, but you I mean we'll get white foam as a sign that it's reacting. And these bubbles, these really small white bubbles, will stay there. So now we will react them. You'll see what is the final product. The paper in itself is white. It is lighter on color, but that's because it's wet. But in itself, it did not really change color. From didn't become like this. So we can conclude that this reaction is neutralized.